Well, I went back. I walked all the way around and I went back. I had to see what it was like inside. And yet, it didn't disappoint. Original. The only thing is, they've just got different firms inside, that's all. There must be hundreds of livelihoods. The place is still being renovated. A lot of the old fixtures and fittings are all still there. Great to see, really nice to walk round. The old doors are still on. Corridors are still long and long, goes on for miles. Still had the old flooring down. The old roller doors, where all the brand new apartments now must have them. The wallpaper was still flaking, it was all total original. The old lifts was still put in. Everything was how I hoped it would have been. Really nice mill inside. Take care everyone. Thanks for watching.